close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello guys, good morning. It's another day, so I think I'm doing the last cleaning of 2024. So today's on a Saturday. I just want to clean everything. I want to clean curtains, clean the dirty clothes, and then I want to clean the carpet so that we can usher a clean year 2025. So yeah, so today I'm being helped by my girls there, my daughter and my sister's girl. So that's how we are doing. We are starting the day today very early with cleaning the curtains. You guys, it has taken me like 3 months without cleaning my curtains, so I decided to clean them so that as we enter into 2025, the curtains are clean, and as they go back to school, they leave everything clean. So guys, we doesn't have a nanny, so we are the one who are doing this. Guys, you can see it's a lot of clothes that we are washing there. So hope you get inspired, hope I motivate you, and you guys support this channel by subscribing and leaving a positive comment and giving this video a like, you guys. So if you're new in my channel, welcome so much. My name is Adija. I does content basically on homemaking, so anything to do with homemaking is there for you. So you can see we started with curtains. First of all, we hung them so that the day is sunny and windy, so the curtains will just take less minutes. It will take less time to dry. So we started to hang the curtains so that we can have a big place that we can hang the other clothes. So guys, some curtains are, I think the shears, and some curtains are dry, so I just want to get them off, and then I'm going to hang our other clothes, you guys. Yeah, so there is my backyard where I usually hang the clothes. You can see we are done. Yes, so on the other side, I want to clean this my new carpet, you guys. It wasn't dirty, but I just felt like I just want to usher in a new year with a clean carpet, you guys. And you know what, my daughter just said that, mom, sitaki kurudi shule kama sija kuosha carpet. And I was like, well, do it, then we are going to help each other when we are cleaning the carpets, you guys. Yeah, I got this carpet because hey, I had a fluffy carpet that was very difficult, you guys, to wash. So I usually take it to car wash, but right now I think I kept it away from my living room, and now I will be having this 7x10 carpet, which is just easy to clean, and even if I'm alone, I can just lift it and hang it, you guys. Yeah, I got it around 12,000. Yeah, so yeah, that is how our day is going, you guys. We love cleaning. My daughter loves doing cleaning so much. She likes washing the carpet. That is the best part, and cooking in this house. So let her help me, and you guys, yeah, may God will bless her for me, you guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for returning subscribers, for always supporting my channel. Road to 4,000 subscribers, you guys. Yeah, so support and leave a positive comment, and remember to just give this video a like. Yes, so if you are new, hit the notification button so that when I post a video on every Tuesdays and Fridays, you're the first one to be notified at 12 p.m. you guys. Yeah, and remember to hit the notification button, you guys. If you haven't, kindly just hit so that you are notified when I have uploaded a new video, guys. Yeah, so the carpet is almost clean, as you can see. Yeah, we are almost going to hang it over there. So yeah, guys, yeah, so that's where I usually wash my carpet. I usually wash my carpet there, so I've hung it there. So this time around, I'm not going to hang it outside. Yeah, on the other side, we had I wanted to prepare lunch for them, and this time around we are going to have a fish stew recipe, coconut stew. So stay tuned for this recipe, and no more talking, just see what I did.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
So guys, you can see the fish is ready, and the stew is almost ready, guys. So just see what I did to this fish stew. It was very delicious. It's nice for your family. Yeah, so you can see I will just pour on that coconut stew, and then I'm just going to let it stay for like 5 minutes, and then everything will be just added to the fish inside. And you guys, that is how I usually cook my wet fries. So hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and leave a positive comment and tell me what you think about that recipe. It's easy as that, you guys, and the food slaps very well, very delicious, yummy. Try it for your family and thank me later. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, bye lovelies, bye.
Wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.